Understand the repulsion type moving iron instrument. Particularly if we are seeing the repulsion type instrument, it is similar to other instruments. We are having a non-uniform scale. This point should be noted. In other instrument we are having uniform scale, but here we are having non-uniform. Pointer to display the values attached to the spindle, which is pivoted in the bearings, and to the bearing we are having one iron piece which is attached, which facilitate the movement of the pointer because it is attached to the spindle. Now to create the magnetism we are having a solenoid. In the solenoid, whenever current is flowing, depending on the voltage, the magnetism is generated. This magnetism may be explained by say B, phi or H. All are indicating the magnetic strength, and due to this the same magnetism is generated in the fixed iron piece, and same magnetism is generated in the moving iron piece. This is north pole, this is south pole, this is north pole, this is south pole. Thus, depending on the current, the deflection is there. If amount of current will be more, deflection will be more, and this is the repulsion type moving iron instrument. Very simple. If we are now understanding it from the right hand thumb rule, if this is the direction of current, according to right hand thumb rule, this is the direction of magnetic flux density, magnetic flux, magnetic field intensity. Now coming to the mathematical portion. If you see this working, this is the H generated in the fixed iron proportional to the current, which is ultimately proportional to the voltage applied. Now in the moving iron also, the magnetic field strength is proportional to H as well as it is proportional to the I, and the torque, deflecting torque, is proportional to M into H. Because both are proportional to the current, that's why deflecting torque is proportional to the I square. Now if the instrument is spring controlled, at balance condition, deflecting torque is equal to control torque, and as we are knowing, this control torque by the spring is Kc into theta. So at balance condition, this Ki square must be equal to Kc theta, and thus the deflection will be proportional to I square. The very simple principle is that because of this, the scale of the instrument is non-uniform. That's all. Thank you.